So for those of you who hung on this long, I've got some exciting news. So this is all a part of a big crazy scheme of mine. All right, so we're back out in the pump house and Mars Hydro came through again, guys. So we've got the delivery of the second package they said they were going to send, and this is the 2x4 grow tent. Let's get this guy unboxed, get it together, and show you what it looks like. All right, so there we go. We've got our stakes here. We've got some corner pieces here. Our little informational pamphlet. It says, lock all light inside, 99% reflective diamond mylar. Let's take a look at this guy. Okay, so here it is all laid out. We've got all our tent stakes here, and then we've got our canvas over here. And actually, we'll talk about this some more, but it seems to be pretty good quality construction so far. So this kit comes with a whole bunch of stakes here, and they just have these little pins that are spring loaded, and they pop up right through pre-drilled holes and lock into place. Alright, so we got this guy all set up now. Let's get some first impressions on this. First of all, it is actually better quality than I thought it was going to be. This material here is actually more of a fabric than a plastic. Some of the tents are made with a plastic, and the stitching on this and just the end seams and everything are really well constructed. Let's go ahead and get into this tent. You can see the zipper is metal, and it's a good solid big zipper. It flows real smooth, so I'm not worried about that thing coming off the rails or having any problems down the road, at least not in the near future. And when we open it, you can see it's got that really reflective mylar lining there, and then it came with a floor pan, so I already installed that. So it came with this little carrying pouch here, so you could put all your nutrients in there or whatever you needed to feed your plants or anything else. We've got all kinds of ports to run ducting or light power cords or anything like that. So plenty of space here. We've got some ventilation holes in the bottom, 3 of them, and you can lift the mylar on the outside off of that. Let's take a look here. So this actually velcros, you can pull that open if you wanted to. All right, one of the things I wanted to show you that I thought was really cool is the construction on these poles here. This is all metal, and the corners are metal as well, so it's pretty sturdy. The only thing I wish was a little different were these cross braces. So there's a really long one here because this is a 2x4 tent. I wish the 2 cross braces going this way were below this long one to support it. It's plenty strong enough to hold any lights, but because it goes a little bit longer, it'd been nice if it had a little more support and it was on top of these guys here. But other than that, it's a great little tent. This thing is solid construction. We're going to do some testing here and see. We're going to put, actually, there's the light. You guys saw that last video. I'll put a link in the description. And we're going to put this now in this tent because that's where it fits. And we're going to do some testing to see, with the lights off in this room, how much light comes out of this tent or how much shines in, and just see how well it's sealed up. Alright, so there it is with the light all set up inside, and I am getting more excited about this every minute because we are going to be growing some really neat plants in here. We're probably going to have some peppers, tomatoes, I haven't decided yet, but we're going to be having some fun. So let's go ahead and get this light turned on, see what it looks like with all the reflective coating in there, and then we'll close it up and see how much light shines off with the lights off in this room. Wow, that thing really lights up. Let's go take a look in here. So the camera never does it justice because everything down around the outside of it turns black because it is putting out so much light, and then the closer you get, the more the camera sensitivity dims down so that it doesn't look as bright, but still, even at that, this thing is just putting out a massive amount of light in here. So once again, that's a 300 watt light, and we are just really pumping out the light in here. I'm going to see how warm this gets, and we're gonna learn all kinds of things, guys, because I've got some things coming up I want to talk to you about, and this is going to be exciting. Let's close this puppy up and we'll see what we got. All right, so there it is. I've got the light on inside there. Now, real quick, just so you can believe me, let's undo the zipper. The light is on. Super bright. We're going to turn the light off in this room, and it should be pretty dark. There's a few little cracks up in the corners of this, but we'll see how much light comes through here. Wow, and you can see the lights coming through the pole barn there. And let's take a look at this tent. I'm not picking up really much of anything. I mean, there's maybe a pinhole or two. I don't know if this camera's picking up anything. Let's walk around this thing for a sec. Hopefully I won't trip over too much. Yeah, I don't see nothing, man. Maybe a pinhole or two. This looks like a little star in the night. Let's get these lights back on. So that's pretty cool for all you people who have special plants to grow. I won't really need that feature with tomatoes and peppers, but pretty slick. This thing is doing really well so far. Holds the light in, doesn't shine out. It's, you know, seems to be a nice little tent so far. The zipper is smooth and flawless. The reflectivity on this thing is awesome. This is just a really neat little combination. Pretty slick. If I was in the market for all of this right now, would I buy it? Well, I'd seriously give a real look at it, a real consideration, because I mean, it seems to be very nice quality and the price range is right. Now, a lot of people came on that last video with just the light that I did and said, Mike, you're selling out. But I want to tell you guys right now, I'm not affiliated with this company at all. They sent me the light. They sent me the grow tent. I'm going to put links in the description to that now, and you can take a look at all that stuff, but decide for yourself. Do your own research. Be your own judge. Click on the link. I'm not getting paid for it. But this is a pretty slick setup, man. The more I look at this, the longer I look at it, the more excited I get. I think this tent is going to grow some nice Reaper peppers. Should we start with jalapenos? I've got the jalapeno seeds too. Let me know in the comments below. What are we going to start with? Peppers, tomatoes, Reapers, jalapenos, serranos. What are we going to do, guys? So for those of you who hung on this long, I've got some exciting news. So this is all a part of a big crazy scheme of mine. So anyway, the tent was sent to me by Mars Hydro. The light was sent to me by Mars Hydro. Another company contacted me to review their light, and I'm going to do that as well, but I've also got some other things in the works here. For those of you interested, I contacted the Apogee company who builds meters and testers to test how much PAR a light is putting out for indoor growing of plants, and they sent me one. So I got that thing in the mail. We've got a PAR tester now, their newest model that will be the most accurate for LEDs, metal halides, the sun, anything you want to test light-wise. We've got a watt meter so we can see how many watts this is pulling. I've got an infrared thermometer coming. I'm trying to make this as scientific as possible so we can test these things out. And you guys can see for yourself if you want to get these guys, if you like what you see, if you're liking what they're doing, and you know, you can go on there and buy them yourself if you want to. But like I said, do your research first. I'm not an affiliate of this company. I'm just reviewing their product for them. I've got links in the description. Go check them out. So far, I really like what I see. I really do. And I wouldn't tell you guys that if I didn't mean it, and you know that. Yeah, we've been here for a lot of years now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. We got some fun videos to come. Have a fantastic week, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.